What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very special POV drive. Today you join me inside the Mercedes-AMG GT63s and we're going to start with the launch control. So let's get into it. Race start. Whoa. So back in like 2014, Mercedes launched the AMG GT as their flagship halo sports car to rival cars like the Porsche 911. But something was missing. The car was only a two-seater, so they needed a halo car that can still carry 4 people and be practical. So which is where this car slotted in, the AMG GT 4-door. So like with the GT coupe, this is built from the ground up as an AMG car. So there is no normal Mercedes-Benz version of this car like a GT 200 or GT 450D. So there's only a GT 43, GT 53 and this full-on GT 63s. The car is big, the car is heavy, but the way it's able to move around its weight, it's still nimble, it's still agile, it's running on massive brakes, so it still stops pretty well. So it's got the 9-speed multi-clutch transmission. It's not the fastest gearbox ever, but it gets the job done very well. I've never felt feeling like it's lagging in any way or I need it to be any faster. All I'm saying is there's gearboxes which are quicker out there, probably gearbox like Porsche's PDK and so forth. As you can hear, the 4-liter V8 Biturbo is just growling away. Because it's equipped with the 4MATIC Plus system, you're always confident through corners and curves that you'll have all the grip in the world, but it still transfers majority of the power to the back, so sometimes it'll slide out a bit. So this car actually has the variable 4MATIC system where you can disconnect the front axle and have it completely rear-wheel drive, so you can basically engage drift mode and still enjoy some proper AMG hooliganism. Ah man, this thing is just so explosive. Such a beast of a car. on a speed trap here, and it's an 80 zone. So this car is actually powered by a 4-liter Biturbo V8. I actually forgot what the number is in kilowatts, but I know in horsepower it's about 639 horsepower. I'll put the conversion on screen for the kilowatts conversion. So pretty powerful, and it has about, I think, 900 Newton meters of torque. So yeah, plenty of pulling power there. So let's do another race start here, because why not? So let's wait for the light. Oh man, this thing just, oh man. It moves, basically. It really does move. Back to manual mode. Yeah, and that is the AMG GT63. You don't see these often. Now, it's pretty special, and it was very expensive when it launched. I think spec they were going for like 3.5 million rands, maybe some even closer to 4 million. Oh, jeez. That exhaust is just, oh man. It just sounds insane. 100%. Why? What? Sinemali. This guy knows it's a GT. How many minutes?
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Damn, so I have about my 11. I included the rolling shots.
We'll spin you on.
That is it from me to you with this POV drive. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, that's cheers from me.